Friends, this video we are going to discuss about in Python how to match or how to check two dates and comparing using the packages time. So here usually in real time when we are having dates, it's come as a string. Maybe it will come as a ddmmyy or mmddyy or else yymmdd. Maybe many formats, it will come as many formats, but here, so whatever the formats you are receiving, you have to change as your expected format. For example, the client is expecting, usually the US and UK clients maximum they are expecting as mmddyy. So in that time you have to change the format as mdy, so it will make us mmddyy. And here you are giving the two parameters, date 1 and date 2. Here you can see the I'm creating the new variable, new date 1, and I'm importing the time package, time library. So I'm giving time dot strp time, so it will convert my date 1 into this format, and I'm converting date 2 as well mmddyy format. Once I converted, I'm checking whether date 1 is greater than date 2 or date 1 greater than date 2. So I'm running on it. Here you can see the date, usually the date 2 is latest, so I'm giving the messages date 2 is latest. So first one, it's showing us date 1 as greater, so it's false. The second one is date 2 is greater, so it's going as a true. Suppose here I am giving, instead of mmddyy, I am giving dd mmyy. So I am giving 31st date and month as 12, and I am saving and I am running on it. Here you can see time delta 31 told does not match the format mdy. So usually when we are getting dates, it must come as mm, dd and yy. So now I am changing, it's giving us a result. Even though if you get the date as mm or ddmmyy, we can change it. In next video I will show you how we can change the date from ddmmyy to mmddyy, and once the converted the format, we can send it to match the data. So this is a simple way so to check how the dates are available, and date comparison and date match. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this.